Like I did to you.
Yeah. Tita Lays. Tita Lays in Palawan. Walking Tita Lays in Palawan. Too much.
Malis na.
What is this?
Tito Johnny. I don't know.
A shell?
Yeah, I think so. No.
Something on with a geode. I don't know.
Tito Johnny. Oy.
Why do you
Oh.
have everybody walking over?
Tito.
Thank goodness.
Here in El Nido. Ang Tito Johnny. Anong night?
Nighttime and I'll get pizza. You want pasta? I'll try pasta.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want?
Oo.
Which one? Carbonara?
What is the best kaya dyan? There. The pizza is super big.
It smells so yummy, huh?
Yeah. Tita. Tita Liz. Eating. Ay! May shake yun.
Oh, you don't look at my face. So hot.
Ba't saka ganun ako? Buying the shake. Italy is buying a shake. Craving. Which sugar?
These the little kids with the motorcycle. Coming from
Tito.
Nothing's on.
No. El Nido. This is our room. Handsome nga, nandito.
Don't record me. I look like a stupid ass.
No, you're not. Handsome, handsome.
Oi. Ah, that's it. Don't record.
That's my tito here in El Nido. She want to walk in the beach, but she have his shoes. Yeah.
Water shoes.
Yes. Yeah.
How's it feel?